All right, guys, I just grabbed this from a dealer on eBay. It is a Squire. They call it the At Work. I think you can read it through the package there. 60 millimeter shutter lock. And I think the model number is ASWL1. I think that is it anyway. Anyway, not a lot else I can tell you about it. $62. $62. It's very heavy. Let's just cut it out of here. See what we got. All right, don't need that stinking packaging. It is a pin tumbler. I could see that through the package. It's got pretty good bitting, it looks like. And let's make sure the thing works. Let's take a look. Looks like the interior lock is made from brass. The outside appears to be some kind of sandblasted metal. There we go. I guess that is the model number. And if you can believe the label, a boron shackle. No screws for us to take out. No other way to bypass this that I can see. All right, well, let's see if we can't pick it. Let's first make sure the thing works. Even at $62, look at that. No spring tension at all. Beautiful. Very smooth. Doesn't even snag up. So, all right, we can look at this, and even without having tried the key, you can see which way this core has to rotate because they have these restrictors on it. So that makes it a little easier if you don't have the key. So let's find a tensioner. See if this will work. I will try that. All right, I am first going to try to rake it. And maybe I can get a fault set. We'll find out very quickly if it has security pins or if you can get an open. My gosh. Let's try that again. Let me put that back. I can't believe it was that easy. All right, so pretend that thing didn't happen. All right, let's put a bottom to keyway tensioner over there. I am going to try to rake it. Yeah. Slide it in, and it opens right up. My gosh. I mean, just, this thing is begging to fly open. $62 for something that flies open. My goodness. ASWL1, probably not the lock you want. This is not the lock you're looking for. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. What little it required to get this bad boy open 2 or 3 times. Stay safe. Stay legal. Stay away from these guys, too. My God, $62. And I can't even repin it. That is crazy. All right, let's try this then. If we were going to pick it by hand, assuming you weren't rakeable, how easy would this be? Heavy tension? Something's got to be wrong. Nothing. Man, you hit one pin. Literally, there's like one pin back there you hit. Well, now it's working. Now it's not flying up. I guess it just needed to be warmed up. That's probably what it was. Or maybe not. What a hunk. And the ink is smearing from my hand lotion. Goodness gracious.